Hello.
Uptown Swing.
Level 1 Charleston, Hannah.
Peter.
It was a party, y'all. You guys rocked it. Here is the recap. We did a little something like this. I'm a leader, I start left.
I'm a follower, I start right.
5, 6, 7, 8, rock, step, kick, double kick. Rock, step, kick, double kick. Do that a million times everywhere you go. In your nightmares, hear these words. Rock, step, double kick, step forever. Look at it this way. Rock, step, double kick, step. Rock, step, kick, step. That's the key. When you guys got that last step, it really came together beautifully. Speaking of coming together, oh look, how are you?
How are you?
Great, let's do this thing. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and hey, ha, ha, ha. Then we did the skip up. You will recall that we practiced a million woos. Woo, woo. I kick high.
Woo. I kick low.
Doesn't kick high. Can't stress that enough. And then we did rock step, kick step, forever, forever, moving, moving. And then we put them all together to get what, Hannah?
Huh?
The skip up.
A skip up.
The skip up! Teamwork. We feel each other. 5, 6, 7, 8, rock step, kick step, pew! Then we did this whole sequence and we put it on repeat. 1 basic, ha, ha, and 2 basics. Skip up now, hey, ha, hey, and roll, roll, rock step, woo! That was it. We're out here, y'all.